Green rainbow friend. Colors clay needed: olive green, white, red and black.
Hello guys, today we are going to make the clay art of green from Rainbow Friends. First, we are going to make the head and body.
This clay is non-toxic, is safe for the kids.
Now we are going to make the eyes.
Please like and share.
Now that's done, we are going to make the mouth. Now we are going to make the lower teeth.
Please subscribe. This is one of my hobbies when I don't have school. Please let me know what kind of characters you want me to create. Please write down below.
Now we are going to add in the eyes. Now the hands.